Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware's step-by-step installation guide for the Tranquility series shower sliding door kits, where craftsmanship meets elegance. Designed to enhance any space, this series combines sophisticated style with precision engineering. Before we begin, please ensure you have all components and tools ready. This kit requires tempered glass between 5/16 and 3/8 inches thick. To start, unpack your rollers and prepare the top rollers, adjusting them to fit precisely onto the sliding door. Next, mark the location for the header support bar. Secure the mounting blocks to the wall. These holders have special rivets at the back, allowing you to adjust the height of the track placement easily, a unique feature that sets this kit apart from others. Center the bar carefully and make sure it's level to ensure a seamless fit. Then align the header bar with these fittings and tighten it securely. In addition to the standard track holder fittings, we also offer two 90-degree connector options to suit different installation needs. These include the 90 degrees return and the 90 degrees corner bracket, providing flexible solutions for various shower configurations. Drill hole in header bar as per glass fabrication. Now it's time to install the track holder fittings. Now we'll install the fixed panel. Begin by aligning the panel with the header and secure it firmly using the fixed panel fittings. Install the bottom door guide next. Depending on the door thickness, choose bottom guide gaskets for 8mm or 10mm glass. You may choose between a U-channel or clamps for support. With the fixed panel in place, hang the sliding door carefully. Be sure the glass engages smoothly with the bottom guide and check for easy, fluid movement. Next, install the bottom rollers to stabilize the sliding door. Our 4 rollers provide anti-lift for the sliding door panel. Then attach the through glass pull for a sleek and effortless operation. Finally, place the stopper at the maximum open position for the door, then cut and install the L-seal. Later, install bulb sweep and slide seal sweep to create a watertight and smooth seal. Thank you for trusting Grey Goat Hardware, where precision meets elegance. Our Tranquility series shower sliding door kits are available in various finishes to perfectly complement your design. Choose from polished stainless, brushed stainless, matte black, satin brass, antique brass, brushed gunmetal, red copper, oil-rubbed bronze, and white. Explore the full range of premium solutions from Grey Goat Hardware to complete your projects with confidence. Visit our website for more products and installation guides.